It's your opportunity to buy it. My second point, if you had a choice in this audience, and if I said, I know where Bitcoin's going, it's going to 13 million a coin, I'm willing to bet $15 billion on it, maybe 50 billion, maybe 100 billion on it. That's what I believe. If I told you it's going to 13 million a coin tomorrow, how do you feel? What would you be thinking? Now, if I told you it'll go to 13 million a coin in 8 years, what are you thinking? Now, if I told you it's going to go to 13 million a coin in 21 years, what are you thinking? And let me tell you, what's the most valuable information in the world? It's not knowing what's going to happen tomorrow. In fact,
hello, this is Rich Dad. Michael Saylor mentioned that Bitcoin could reach $13 million per coin. Considering the current situation, it's already a miracle that it has risen this much. It's hard to imagine it like reaching that level, but just as most people didn't believe Bitcoin would reach $100,000 USD when it was trading around $1,000 to $2,000 USD, no one can guarantee what will happen after a long time has passed. Michael Saylor is backing up his beliefs with action. He recently purchased 18,300 Bitcoins, worth approximately $1.1 billion. With this purchase, MicroStrategy now holds a total of 244,800 Bitcoins, positioning itself as one of the largest institutional holders in the world. While it's uncertain whether Bitcoin will reach $13 million per coin, one thing is clear. Michael Saylor strongly believes that Bitcoin will rise significantly. Anyway, since this is coming from a man who has dedicated his life to Bitcoin and is showing it through his actions, I feel inclined to trust him. As you all know, the current Bitcoin and crypto market is led by the United States. However, it might be difficult for the US alone to push Bitcoin to $13 million. So today I'd like to talk about a country that holds a very important position alongside the US in driving significant growth in the Bitcoin and crypto market. It's Brazil. When you think of Brazil, many of you probably think of football first. However, aside from football, Brazil is also one of the most important countries in the Bitcoin and crypto industry. As of 2023, Brazil is the 9th largest economy in the world. It boasts the largest economy in South America, which also means it is a significant global market. The population is estimated to be around 215 million, making it the 6th most populous country out of approximately 220 countries worldwide. The country's economy is primarily based on agriculture, energy, mining, and manufacturing, thanks to its abundant human resources. Additionally, sectors like finance, telecommunications, tourism, and retail also play a major role in Brazil's economy. Brazil is home to Sao Paulo, which is not only the largest city in the country, but also the financial hub of Latin America. In Asia, you could compare it to cities like Hong Kong or Singapore. Many cryptocurrency-related companies are also based in Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo is home to major cryptocurrency exchanges, like Mercado Bitcoin, the largest in Brazil, along with a variety of blockchain-based startups. Building on this, they are looking to apply blockchain technology not only in finance, but also across various industries such as logistics, supply chain management, and contract systems. The Brazilian government is also providing a lot of support for these efforts. One such initiative is, in 2022, Brazil introduced a digital nomad visa. This allows cryptocurrency investors and blockchain technology professionals to reside and work in Brazil with legal status. This visa is issued if you can prove a minimum monthly income of $1,500 or a bank balance of $18,000. Compared to business or employment visas from other countries, the requirements seem quite lenient. By attracting blockchain and cryptocurrency professionals to Brazil through this visa, innovative technological development can be accelerated. These advancements can enhance the efficiency of cryptocurrency-based businesses and financial services within Brazil, encouraging more users and companies to adopt cryptocurrencies. As a result, blockchain-related startups or projects could flourish, drawing the attention of investors and increasing the likelihood of more capital flowing into the Brazilian market. This would ultimately improve the liquidity and stability of the entire cryptocurrency market. São Paulo is also a city where crypto-related events and networking conferences or seminars on cryptocurrency and blockchain are frequently held. For example, large-scale events like Blockchain Summit Latam take place in Sao Paulo, serving as a major platform where crypto experts from across Latin America gather to network and share the latest technological trends. In line with this environment, Itaú Unibanco, the largest bank in Latin America, based in Sao Paulo, has allowed Bitcoin trading. This bank has an impressive customer base of about 60 million people, which means a vast number of individuals use this bank. By enabling Bitcoin trading, Itaú Unibanco has significantly widened the gateway for many people to enter the Bitcoin market. By introducing Bitcoin trading, this bank offers many benefits to its customers. Allowing them to buy and sell Bitcoin directly through the existing bank significantly lowers the entry barriers for new investors entering the market. From the customer's perspective, they can enjoy the advantages advantages of lower fees and advanced technology infrastructure, ensuring fast and secure transactions. Therefore, this movement could serve as a catalyst for the fusion of traditional finance and digital finance. It also raises expectations for further growth in this market as it encourages more integration between these two financial sectors. So this made me wonder, why is Brazil so serious about cryptocurrency? This is also related to Brazil's economic situation. Brazil is one of the countries with a very high level of income inequality. According to the World Bank's Gini index, which measures income inequality, Brazil had a score of 0.52 as of 2022. As a result, many citizens lack access to the traditional financial system, and they are seeking to solve this problem through Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Brazil has struggled with inflation in recent years. The Brazilian real is one of the more volatile currencies, and during periods of inflation, the value of citizens' assets can quickly decline. That's why digital assets like Bitcoin are gaining attention as an alternative store of value. Brazil is a resource-rich country with global importance, but attracting foreign investment is essential for its economic development. The cryptocurrency industry creates new investment opportunities and plays a key role in attracting foreign capital. That's why Brazil is making efforts to nurture and grow the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. Recognizing Brazil's future growth potential, Tether, the issuer of USDT, has invested $100 million in a Brazilian agricultural company. If you look at the article, the company Tether invested in this time, Adecoagro, is a major agricultural company in Latin America. Why agriculture and not the crypto sector? Through this deal, Tether is showcasing a new strategy to expand its investments beyond the cryptocurrency space. Tether's investment in real economy sectors such as agriculture could be seen as an effort to strengthen the stability of its stablecoin and expand its backing with real assets. Agriculture plays a crucial role in the real economy. By investing in this sector, Tether is demonstrating that cryptocurrency is no longer confined to digital assets, but can also be used as a means to preserve asset value in the real economy. Tether has primarily focused on industries related to cryptocurrency, right? This recent investment marks Tether's first venture into the traditional real economy. Through this move, Tether is demonstrating a strategy aimed at securing stable and long-term returns from the real economy, rather than relying solely on cryptocurrency. Therefore, this move carries significant meaning in that cryptocurrency is expanding its role beyond the traditional financial sector and into the real economy. In addition, Brazil has long been implementing various policies and systems to foster the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. In 2022, Brazil introduced legal regulations for cryptocurrency exchanges and other virtual asset service providers. This system focused on strengthening investor protection and anti-money laundering measures, providing a foundation for the cryptocurrency industry to integrate with the formal financial system. Since then, Brazil became the first country in the world to introduce an Ethereum ETF, making it easier for institutional investors to access. The Ethereum ETF, listed by BlackRock on Brazil's largest stock exchange, B3, plays a key role in promoting the growth of the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, Brazil introduced a real-time payment system called Pix, which supports faster and cheaper processing of digital asset payments, including cryptocurrency. This system allows payments via QR codes and has spread very quickly within Brazil. It opens up the possibility for digital assets like cryptocurrencies to be used as everyday payment methods. It significantly improves the convenience of using cryptocurrencies for practical purposes, which has long been a challenge. Additionally, the UK Parliament has submitted a bill to recognize Bitcoin as personal property. If Bitcoin is recognized as personal property, it could have 5 key positive effects. Increased legal stability. If Bitcoin is recognized as a legally protected asset, investors will have greater confidence in investing. This would clarify the rights of cryptocurrency holders and increase the opportunities for legal recourse in the event of disputes. More institutional investment. Legal protection of cryptocurrencies would provide a foundation for traditional financial institutions and large investors to participate more actively in the market. The influx of institutional investors would provide more liquidity to the market and could positively impact the price stability of cryptocurrencies. Increase market trust. When cryptocurrencies are officially recognized by governments and laws, the overall trust in the cryptocurrency market would rise, and public perception could improve. This would help more individual investors and companies accept cryptocurrencies as an asset. Industry revitalization. With clear legal protection, more startups and technology companies related to cryptocurrency could emerge. This could accelerate technological development and lead to the overall growth of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Strengthened international position of cryptocurrency. As the UK is the 6th largest economy in the world, if it legally recognizes cryptocurrency, similar moves could follow in other countries. This could play a KI role in establishing cryptocurrency as a major global asset. Now, let's briefly look at the on-chain data to discuss the current situation and what the future outlook might be, and then wrap things up. The chart you're looking at shows the realized losses of Bitcoin, indicating at what price ranges Bitcoin was sold at a loss. First, if you look at the past bull market during the COVID crash, despite a drop of nearly 60% from the peak, the realized loss ratio was relatively small. During the bull market, there was significant loss realization when the 50% correction occurred. Later, as the bear market arrived, the highest loss realization in the past 4 years was recorded. Now, if you look at the current situation, the highest recent loss ratio is slightly higher than the loss ratio during the COVID crash. However, compared to the bear market, this is still a relatively low figure. That's why I believe we are still on the path towards a bull market. After Black Monday, stablecoins began flowing into exchanges in large quantities, which can be interpreted as a signal that big players are preparing for a rally. Stablecoins are an important reserve asset in the cryptocurrency market, and changes in their market capitalization and exchange inflows/outflows are crucial on-chain indicators. Following the bear market in the summer of 2024, the recent influx of stablecoins is a potential positive factor that has yet to materialize, supporting the conclusion that market makers are placing big bets in this cycle. If these bets materialize, a large-scale rally is expected in the fourth quarter. It's been a while since I brought up the rainbow chart. As you can see on the chart, the blue zone represents the accumulation phase, and at least the orange zone would need to be reached before we can say Bitcoin is overheated and it's time to prepare for a decline. Historically, the blue zone has been a good range to accumulate Bitcoin with a favorable risk-reward ratio. If it rises to the orange zone, how much would Bitcoin be worth? Even at a glance, it looks like Bitcoin would need to be around $200,000 to reach the red zone, and nearly $300,000 to fully enter that range. Let me summarize today's video. First, Michael Saylor mentioned that Bitcoin could reach $13 million per coin. Let's hope that really happens. Second, Brazil is the most important cryptocurrency hub in Latin America, especially Sao Paulo. As the financial center of Latin America and a key player in the blockchain industry, we expect a surge in demand across Latin America, centered on Sao Paulo. Third, if the UK Parliament recognizes Bitcoin as an asset, the increased trust in the cryptocurrency market could lay the foundation for further market growth. John Bogle, known as the father of index funds, once said, "No matter how chaotic the market gets, stay strong. Don't get shaken out in difficult market conditions. Persevere through this time and aim for big profits." If you found today's video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.